World Race Germany continues tonight at Oschersleben. Coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. Are you ready for another great World Race Germany racetrack? Well, tonight we are in Oschersleben, right here in Germany, where we will be racing our Ford GTs and Corvette C7Rs. So before we begin the race, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Let's get this thing up to 100 likes so it shoots way up there in the Google slot car racing search engines. All right. Now I've got a special treat. Our little daughter Rosina is going to be here tonight catching cars, and I have a very special offer that I'm going to be sharing with you at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's go down to the race. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Oschersleben in Germany. So we got Kevin, Howard, Glenn, Mark, and myself. Who are you rooting for? Write it in the comments below. We got Rosie here, supposed to be collecting cars. You're off camera. Alright. 5754213. Okay, wave at that camera. Okay. Come on, get me, Mark. So Rosie's got a YouTube channel, it's called Super Bear. You can tune in and see that.
The wing is halfway off.
That's what I was waiting for. The bowling green. 35 laps. Kevin, Glenn, Howard, Mark, and myself.
Oh, want to get me?
Somebody.
Thank you.
Not that we can
Take a shot.
camera's down.
Oh,
Got down the camera.
oh, that's just too
This guy hit so hard, it's getting so off.
Three, two, one. Oh. Here we are once again down at our scoreboard. I've got 29 for the race night. Josh wasn't there. Howard got 54. Kevin got 49. Mark got 25. And Glenn got 32. So how does this affect our standings? Well, let's go over and check that out now. So I'm in second place with 76 points. Howard is in fourth with 54. Kevin is in first place with 87. And both Mark and Glenn are tied at 74 points. And wasn't that a great slot car race night? Well, it certainly was. And let's give a good round of applause to our car catchers. That was Glenn and my daughter Rosie. Very good work, everybody. Thanks for getting those cars, making sure they don't smash on the ground. Actually, applause doesn't really work on YouTube. So the way to show our appreciation is to click that like button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all our friends and family. Let's get this thing up to 100 likes. 100 to help Glenn and Rosie to show them how much they're appreciated in catching those great cars. And next week we'll be in the Norris circuit in Germany, which is another fun fast track. So make sure you click the notification bell so you do not miss it. And now let's talk about that offer. So what I want to do is I want to give away this great Carrera Wrecker. The tailgate drops down, the lights go on, you can hook up any car to this, and it has a air horn feature when you click the front of your controller, which is really, really cool. So how do you get this? Well, there's a link down below in the description to another video with all the contest rules for this thing. Just click on that and go over there. All you got to do on that video in the comments below if you want this thing is just to say, hey, I'd like to be entered in this contest, and then we will do that for you. And all the rules are over there. So until next week, happy slot car racing.